why do we want to tell the African story? Because on the global scale, in many cases, it's other people other than African telling authoritative stories about Africa. Naturally, these stories tend to be biased against Africa. So it is imperative that we find a platform that is also biased in favor of Africa. And it's out of this that Success Africa has been birthed. So why exactly Success Africa? It is because when we hear stories over and over and over, then they become true. So what has kept Africa where Africa is most of the time is that we have had stories about disease, poverty, and ignorance about Africa, and we have had it too long. So it has become true. But this doesn't have to remain true. The truth is there are Africans all over the world. There are Africans within Africa who are doing outstanding jobs in everything that they are doing. Business leadership, talking of people like Dangote in business, talking of the likes of Malema in South Africa in their political leadership, people who believe in progressive ideas, people like President Kagame, like him or not, there are things he's doing right. So where do we stand as a people in terms of highlighting the good and promoting the good so that people can learn not only what these people are doing, but also why they are doing it, what inspires them to do good, what do they believe in that makes them do good, how do they plan their work, how do they get influenced into thinking that way? Because when all is said and done, it all boils down to thinking. So this is a publication that will not just be telling stories of what people have done and how they have done it, but will delve deeper into the whys, the reason as to why they do it that way, the reason why they choose to think differently. And this is a story that we are going to sustain with good reference, with good features, with good opinions. And this is a platform through which we will not just tell the stories of those who live today. We will tell the stories of founding ideologists, founding philosophers. We will romance the lives of people like Andrew Carnegie, talk of people like Socrates, Plato, all these people who discovered and stayed with eternal realities that we still learn from to date. So it's a platform that really is, I would see it as not just an experience or a feature writing platform, but more like a philosophy platform.